Hi, Steve Delaney with Cypherbridge Systems. We're here demonstrating our building block solutions to the Renesas RA platform. Here behind me, I want to take you through our first demonstration. This shows our solution running on the Renesas RA EK Evaluation Kit platform. We have here our ambient light sensor that's connected through the Pmod module. Working with our ecosystem partner Silex, we've connected wirelessly through the Wi-Fi adapter to the Microsoft Azure IoT Hub, Stream Analytics, and Power BI. Behind me you see the Power BI visualization showing the response of the ambient light sensor to the room lighting conditions. So let me just demonstrate that for you real quickly if I could. We'll just hover over that, darken the module, and then watch and see how that's visualized up on the Power BI back end. And then reveal the lighting sensor to the normal ambient lighting conditions.